Hello everyone, my name is Jason and I'm a senior lecturer with the School of Hospitality. Yesterday, our DHOM students, or Diploma in Hospitality and Operations Management students, they did a tourism fair which gave the students a great opportunity to set up little booths showcasing the natural beauty, attractions, culture, local food and beverages of their respective countries. So the countries represented yesterday were quite a number. They included Vietnam, Myanmar, India, China, the Philippines and even Madagascar. So in doing this activity, hospitality students learned a lot about working as a team, communicating effectively with one another as well as guests who visited their booths, and the importance of giving customers the best possible hospitality experience.
Hi, I'm I'm from Vietnam. Today the event I learned a lot of things like very excited and very fun, and we learn a lot of different culture, different activity, and we know a lot of things from different countries. It's we were happy to go for this event. Thank you the school for introduce us this activity. That's why we can learn and know more for other countries. Thank you.
I am from Myanmar. I think this tourism fair is meaningful and enjoyable for all students. It gives us the chance to learn other people's culture and how it's going on in their country. And then we have the tourism fair. We can learn a lot of culture and their traditional food. There are many kinds of foods the respective country. We can learn with the culture and then the food and then some kind of attraction place. So overall, this fair can gain us our international awareness as well.